Turning on or off night shift on your iPhone 15 allows you to adjust your display's color temperature, reducing blue light emission, which can help improve sleep quality and reduce eye strain, especially when using your device in low light conditions. There are two ways to turn the night shift feature on or off. The first method we'll demonstrate is through Settings. To do this, navigate to the home screen and then tap on Settings. While you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Next, tap on Night Shift. Finally, tap on the toggle switch next to Schedule to turn Night Shift on or off. Just follow the on-screen instruction to set your preferred schedule for night shift to activate and deactivate on your iPhone. You can automate schedule from sunset to sunrise or set a custom schedule if you want. If you prefer manual activation, simply tap to turn on the switch next to manually enable until tomorrow. You will then notice the iPhone screen color switching from normal to a warmer color. The second method is through the Control Center. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. In the Control Center, touch and hold the brightness control bar. Then, tap on Night Shift to turn it on or off. When Night Shift is on, you can adjust the screen brightness using the slider in this menu. This feature on your iPhone 15 helps reduce eye strain and potentially improve your sleep by adjusting your display's color temperature to warmer tones in the evening. You can customize the schedule or manually enable it as needed, providing flexibility in how you use this feature to suit your daily routine and preferences. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.